Okay, let's do homework for section 1.4. Again, you can watch the video that's in the module, or you can go to my YouTube channel and I send a link, and I believe via email, and it is in announcement, and you can find the topic you are interested in, watch it in my video. So meanwhile, I'll work out the homework similar to which you will have in your homework. So first question, the science club at the large middle school has 25 members. The members want to survey a sample of 125 students to estimate the percentage of all students at the school who plan to submit a science fair project. Each member of the club asks 5 friends the following questions. So the survey questions are: will you be submitting a project to the science fair this year? Of all the friends, 76% replied yes. Which of the following is the reason why the sample selection method described is not fair? Okay, well, let's see. Who did they survey? Let's go over choices. The club members did not survey every student at the school. Okay, that is true, but that would be fair, right? If they would survey every student at the school. And they didn't survey every student because you can't go throughout every single school. There are schools that have 500 students. So it's practically impossible. Version B, a sample of 125 students is too small. We cannot insist 125 students is too small because there is a way to calculate and figure it out. So this cannot be insisted that 125 students is too small. Especially the science club at large middle school has 25 members only. If anything else, it would be large sample. C, the percentage of students who plan to submit a project is not equal 50%. That is an absolute nonsense. There is no such magic percentage, 50%. And the last one, well, looks like last one is going to be the answer. Let's see what it is. The club members only surveyed their friends. Bingo. That's very true, which is biased, right? They surveyed only their friends, and maybe they do know their opinion. So the sample is not likely to be representative of the students at the school. Okay. All right, so, well, it doesn't accept my submission. That's fine. Let me open then this key. Okay, there we go. The answer is correct. Second one. These questions 2 and 3 I took off. I guess it needs time. Tomorrow it will disappear. Next one, consider the following statements. Statement 1, additional variables that can influence the outcome of study experiment are called lurking variables. That is very, very true. To ensure that these unforeseen influences are removed, researcher can use random assignment to fill the control and treatment group. Okay? So that's statement 1. Select any statement that are true. Statement 1 is very true. Lurking variables, it can be some side effect that's going to affect the reaction of variables, okay? And number 2, to estimate the power of suggestion, a researcher can perform a blind or double-blind study experiment. That is very, very true. Let's say If I heard somewhere that cinnamon is helping to reduce blood pressure, for example. So I don't know if you're aware, when somebody believes that it's really gonna help him, it's psychologically, it's indeed, it's helping to reduce, let's say, the blood pressure, or if you believe it's gonna happen, it's gonna do it. Now, the best way to do experiment when, for example, the patient is not aware of that experiment, and they do blind and double blind study or experiment, which means they take two groups of people. One, they give the cinnamon, and the other one, they don't give cinnamon, but both of them believe that they are given cinnamon. Okay, so and they measure the result. So if the one that believed they ate cinnamon but they didn't eat the cinnamon, it will be the true it will show the result comparing to the ones that ate cinnamon and they knew they are going to eat cinnamon, right? So at this point, this is also going through. The other way to make experiment when both groups are not aware that they are going to have cinnamon, but one is having, the other one does not, and they can measure also the true result. So it can be or any type of way to consider. But that's a true statement, blind and double blind. Okay, let's check it. Indeed. Statement 1, statement 2. And last one, in a study of weight loss program, 36 subjects lost an average 14 pounds after 7 weeks. Method of statistics can be used to show that it is unlikely to get this result by chance if the diet had no effect. Okay, does the weight loss program have statistical significance? I would say yes. Let me see. Correct. I would say yes, because if the 36 subjects lost in average of 14 pounds, you can't ignore that, right? So then it has statistical significance. And even more, it has practical significance. It's the fact is it's on face value. So yes to this one also. So to give you better explanation to this, I can say that the weight loss program has statistical significance because it is unlikely to get this result by chance, accidentally, okay, if the diet would not give any effect. So that is the thing. All right, this is 1.4. So total for each, let's say, chapter, so since we know module 1 has chapter 1, 2, and 3, each chapter, it will have about 10, 12 questions total. So it's not gonna be bad, plus the quizzes. All right? Okie dokie, see you in next homework or quiz. I'll have to see also the quiz. All right.